Okay, what we're going to do is show you how to pull a dent out of a speaker cone. Very simple process. Just a lot of people don't know you can do this, but I'll show you how to do it. Most of us have speakers laying around with the tweeters or the subwoofer cone depressed and from use, knocked around, whatever. This video is showing you how to fix that. First, grab you some good old electric tape. Yes, electric tape. Cut a small piece off. Okay, you do not want to depress it anymore. You gently put the piece of tape on the dent. Make sure it is sticking to the actual cone itself by gently pressing in around the dent. Let it set for a few minutes. After it has set, come back and gently pull it towards you. There you go. Popped right out.